guys. So, okay, there she is. Yes, awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and go over this real quick. So make sure that everybody has the right answers. All right, so what percent is shaded? So 10, 10, 10, and it looks like 5, right? So 35%.
Wait, are you sharing your screen?
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, can you see it now?
Yes.
Awesome, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so then we need to shade 80%. So it doesn't matter, guys, if I shade 8 rows this way or if I shade 8 rows down, okay? But basically, you should have 2 rows with no shade at all. So 2 rows left open with no shade. All right, number 5. A vaulting contest during gymnastics camp. Kylie made 75% of her 12 attempts. How many successful vaults did she make? State what strategy you use, or you will answer the question. So this one has a variety of ways. So I could change this to a decimal, and I can multiply it by 12, and I would get 9. So that's one way to do it. I know that 75% is 3/4, so I can multiply that by 12, which is 36, and then divide by 4, which is 9. I could do it the equivalent ratio way, so I could say 75 over 100. What does that do for 12? So between here and here is 8.3. So that means I would divide 75 by 8.3. If you do that, you do get a very long decimal, but we would round it to 9. Okay? So, answer of 9.
Lavelle?
Yes.
Quick question. In order to multiply, like if you were to multiply 8 by something to get 100, that would be 12.5, right?
Multiply 8 by something?
To get 100, yes. Would that be 12.5?
Well, 12.5, yes, would be 100.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Number 6. So I can tell you guys, I know for a fact there is a question like number 6 on the test. So, to write 7/8 as a fraction, it would just be 7 divided by 8. To write it as a decimal, you would divide 8 into 7.0. Because 7/8 does not scale up nicely, but I think Aiden just told us the answer, right? If I divide 100 by 8, I get 12.5. So I could take that 12.5 and multiply it times 7, and I would get 87.5. So that is one way to do it. So my percent would be 87.5%. My decimal would...
That's what I really struggled on, was the decimal.
Yeah, so but once you have the percent, just move your decimal point 2 places. 2 places to the left.
I put the 5 there. I have 0.87. I didn't think you would put the 5 there.
Nope, you put 87.5. And then move your decimal point 2 places. Okay?
Thank you.
The other way that you could do it is divide the denominator into the numerator, and you would have gotten the same answer. So 64, which is 6, add a 0, bring it down, which is 7. Subtract 56 gives me a 4, add a 0, bring it down. So that's the other way you could figure out the decimal. So if I had the decimal first, then I move it 2 places to the right to get 87.5. Okay, so either way.
I'm sorry for not being here for at least 10 minutes. Here's the thing. The power went out and then I couldn't do anything. So
Okay. Well, I've taped it, so I'm taping this, and I will post it this afternoon, and I will post the notes in a few minutes, and that way you have it, okay? So just make sure when you finish it, you upload it. Okay. All right. So number 7 on a history test, Robert gets 23 questions out of 25. So this one's easy, right? If I scale it up, I'm just multiplying by 4. So then this person's grade would be a 92. You could do it the same way I did it up here. I could do 25 divided into 23.0 and still get 0.92 and then move that decimal point to get 92%. Okay? So either way, any way works. All right, so to put this in order from least to greatest, the easiest thing is either to convert this. Sorry. Hold on. To convert either this to a fraction or convert everything else to a percent. So what I would do was convert these. So 16 over 20 would be times 5. So that would be 80. So this would be 80%. And then 35 over 40, I could reduce it to 7/8, which we already did up here, right? So that one would be 87.5%. So my order from least to greatest would be 16 over 20, 82%, and 35 out of 40. Okay, so remember when you're putting them in order, you go back to the original form. Okay? All right, a group of film students in a college shot 420 short films at 40%. Of videos included a background. How many included background music? So 40 out of 100 equals 420. So from here to here, I would multiply it by 4.2, right? So 40 times 4.2 wait, something's not right. $420 divided by 100. Yep, 4.2. Huh. It should be 168 videos. I wonder why it's giving me a decimal. Oh, there we go. I typed something wrong. I don't know. That's weird. 40 times 4.2. Let me try that again. Yeah, it's 168. I don't know what I did, but it's 168. All right, so at a birthday party, 20% of the guests wear glasses. Okay, hold on one second, guys. Hello? Yes. Yes, I'm inside the school. Yes, sir. Okay, and you can just leave it with the person at the front door. Thank you so much. Sorry, guys. Okay, so 20 guests. So 20 out of 100. And then if there are 30 guests, how many wear glasses? So 100 divided by 30. Ooh, it's not pretty, is it? It's 3.3, is that right? So what if we do 20 divided by 3.3? What do we get? Ooh, I get 6.06, right? I can't have part of a person, so it has to be A for 6 people. All right? in a school, 135 students out of 900, so 135, 900, out of every 100 students, how many students are 6th graders? So they're really kind of asking for the percent, because 100 is out of a percent, right? So from here to here, I divide by 9. So 135 divided by 9 is 15. All right, quickly because we have less than a minute. So hopefully, guys, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, my interval was 4. So this would be 25, 50, and 75. And we're looking for 3/8. So 3/8 would be right here. So that would be 37.5%. All right, and the last one would be 36 over 100. We want to know the total. So this is my question mark. So 63 divided by 36 is 1.75. So 100 times 1.75 is 175 people. All right. So I will post the video tonight, and I will get the notes in just a few minutes. Okay?